in the beginning, we did use Octane AI as it was the tool that was easy to set up out of the gate and just felt like something that was a good starting point. And we were quickly facing a lot of challenges right out of the gate. One of them being the ability to not customize and even personalize the experience, which kind of feels counterintuitive because it's to create a personal experience, felt extremely boxed in. We'd actually look at other people's quizzes and be like, why can't we do this? And I think what prompted testing that is like when we saw a lot of other people have incredible quizzes, and we're like, there's no way all of these people went custom. And I think that's when we started digging. And I think we stumbled upon Digioh, and it was like, where have you been type of thing moment. That entire experience from everyone you deal with on the team from the start to finish, you can just tell you guys are obsessed about making sure that we get the results that we hoped for. And I think for with you guys, it's been above and beyond that, which is the incredible part. But I've never really worked with tech companies that are purely obsessed with making sure they're really good at one thing. And I know you guys do a lot of different things, but the one place where you guys really thrive is building out incredible quizzes that perform well, that get you the zero party and first party data you need.